Cleaning does not have to take all day or cost a fortune. Today, I am sharing 12 genuine cleaning hacks that actually work using simple things you already have at home. Every single one is safe and proven, so no mixing of harsh chemicals here. Stick around to the end because the last few are real game changers. To clean a grimy microwave with almost no scrubbing, fill a microwave-safe bowl with water and a few lemon slices. Heat it on high for about 3 minutes, then leave the door closed for 5 more minutes. The steam loosens dried food and grease, so it wipes away easily. Just take care, the bowl will be hot, so use a towel. For a slow or smelly drain, pour half a cup of baking soda straight down it. Follow that with half a cup of plain white vinegar and let it fizz for 10 minutes. Then flush it through with a kettle of hot water. The natural bubbling action helps break down buildup and freshens the drain without any harsh cleaners. Got a pan with stubborn baked-on food? Fill it with warm water, add a squirt of dish soap, and drop in a single dryer sheet. Let it soak for an hour or so while the softeners work on the residue. When you come back, the stuck-on bits wipe right off with the sheet. It saves your arms a lot of scrubbing. Vacuums often miss pet hair ground into carpet and rugs. Grab an ordinary rubber squeegee and drag it firmly across the surface. The rubber edge creates static that pulls embedded hair up into easy-to-grab clumps. It works wonders on upholstery and car seats too. Cloudy white hard water spots on taps and shower glass are easy to beat. Cut a lemon in half and rub the cut side directly over the stained metal or glass. The natural citric acid dissolves the mineral buildup. Let it sit a few minutes, then rinse and buff dry for a brilliant shine. Dusty blinds are a pain to clean slat by slat. Slip an old cotton sock over your hand and dip it lightly in a mix of water and a splash of vinegar. Pinch each slat between your fingers and slide along it. You clean both sides at once, and the sock traps the dust instead of scattering it. Paper towels can leave lint and tiny scratches on screens. Instead, use a dry coffee filter to dust your TV, laptop, and phone screens. The lint-free material lifts dust and smudges without scratching. For tougher marks, lightly dampen a soft microfiber cloth with water only. Stainless steel appliances love showing every fingerprint. Put a little rubbing alcohol on a soft microfiber cloth and wipe along the direction of the grain. It cuts through smudges and dries fast without streaks. Finish with a tiny drop of olive oil on a dry cloth for a polished glow. For stained mugs, cutting boards, and grimy sinks, make a gentle paste of baking soda and a little water. Scrub it on with a damp sponge, working in small circles. Baking soda is a mild abrasive, so it lifts stains without scratching surfaces. Rinse well, and you will see the difference instantly. Scuff marks on walls, baseboards, and skirting boards seem permanent, but they are not. Lightly dampen a melamine foam eraser with plain water and gently rub the marks away. It works on light switches and sneakers too. Just test a hidden spot first and use a soft touch since it can dull glossy paint. A clogged showerhead with weak spray usually just has mineral buildup. Fill a plastic bag with plain white vinegar and tie it around the showerhead so the nozzles are submerged. Leave it for an hour or two, then remove it and run the water. The vinegar dissolves the deposits and your strong spray comes right back. Plain white toothpaste is a surprisingly handy mild polish. Dab a little on a soft cloth to buff up chrome taps, remove water rings, or shine up cloudy headlights. Rub gently in circles, then wipe clean with a damp cloth. Skip the gel kinds and stick with basic white paste for the best results. And there you have it. 12 safe and simple cleaning hacks that really do work. Which one are you going to try first? If this helped you out, give it a like and subscribe for more easy home tips every week. Thanks so much for watching, and happy cleaning!